Hi guys, it's me again, and today I'll be unboxing my Fendi bucket bag. Like, this bag has literally been on my wish list for a very long time, and so today let's unbox it together. Hey guys, so today we're going to be unboxing the Fendi bucket bag in brown. This bag has been on my wish list for a very long time, and finally I've gotten it. I'm super excited. So now let's unbox it together. I literally love the ribbons they used to put their bag. I said I'm going to use this as a hair packer, as a hair ribbon. I'm going to use it to tie my hair and pack it together. So I literally love the ribbon they used to pack the bags. And like I said, I'm going to use this as a hair ribbon to tie my hair, to pack my hair together. So now, this is it. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. Now, let's open it together. So cute. Oh my god. This bag is to die for, and it literally has the crossbody hand. Like, I can't wait to rock the hell out of this bag.